the grand old party because of the spearheading of how the leadership does go. Ahmed Ayaz also joining me live on the broadcast. Sir, how would you agree to this, in fact, suggestion that has been given by Mr. Bhatt, saying that the Congress party also needs to reflect today in how the previous times the Congress was a pivotal, played a pivotal role in spearheading through many crises and through many. All right, I'll just have to wait for a bit, as in fact we are getting the live visuals of in fact the mortal remains coming from the residence of Dr. Manmohan Singh, now going to reach the AICC headquarters. Now in the visuals, viewers, this is in fact the bus that's transporting the mortal remains of Dr. Singh. It has been decorated for the final journey, and the full state honors is going to be in fact accorded to Dr. Singh at this point of time. Mr. Ayaz, as I in fact will pick up from where I left at this point of time, how much would you agree to the fact that this is the time for even the Congress party to now introspect and reflect, as Dr. Singh is bid a farewell? How in fact it was the pivotal party back then, and what are the lessons that they need to take in today's time from when the Congress led the nation through in fact many crises?
Yeah, surely I agree with Mr. Bhatt. What he said about this, yes, Congress need to have a proper introspection to see that, in the past, how they have been leading the country as a single party and then doing well. But we see with the passage of time, things have derailed. So far as Congress is concerned, maybe one that their internal bickering, and second, then they are in a way lost, connect with the masses, and then the leadership crisis, internal issues. Well, with all this, the Congress being, grand old party, having taken an important part in the independence struggle and then laid the foundation of an independent country in 1947 with Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as the first Prime Minister, and then done lot many things and developed country to this, proud country to this stage. And it was basically the Congress which has, given that interest to the whole country. And today we see that there are lot many issues with the Congress, where a common citizen is not confident of their being, leading the country as it was being done in the past. So there I do agree with Mr. Bhatt that they need to have an introspection, and they need to have definitely in parallel a political party in the country, because it's not only the positions, and there must be now that BJP is leading for last so many years, and a stage will come and there will be an incumbency factor. It's not only a matter of incumbency factor; it's a matter just because as a result of incumbency factor the other political party takes over. It's not only simply that. It is a matter where the political party should be so organized, so well done that they are in a position to lead the country and giving confidence to people of the country that yes, we are here to see things are well done as it has been done in the past. And when you compare the two, past and the now, yes, there is a lot of difference. And what you see today, what was there in the past, so far as Congress is concerned, is not there. Now they definitely need to introspect and see what's going on around with the Congress party, to see that they regain their strength as it was in earlier, when it was up to the time of Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Of course, to that extent it was okay. And then now that it's so deteriorating, and then I don't think people are confident accepting their cadres. They're confident that the Congress being being a good leader in the future as the government or as a political party. I don't think that people are fully confident of that, and so as such they need to check up with themselves as to what's going on wrong. what Mr. Bhatt has said, very right. Thank you.
Mr. Ayaz, in fact, thank you for putting this in perspective and voicing about how you think at this point of time the kind of contributions that have been made by Dr. Singh reinforce into this history. All right, Mr. Bhatt, in fact, is also with me on the broadcast at this point of time. As my guest is there, and I would like to in fact take a word or two on how much in fact it has benefited the party also, because of the kind of recognition that Mr. Singh has got. And it is not just through his economic and financial decisions, but also his very immaculate ability to not get into the controversies, and the slugfest that we see in today's time has only become worse with the governance and the ruling and taking on with the government. All right, let me also get across to my colleague Kanika, who's there at the AICC headquarters, where in fact Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are actually reaching, and they are walking to the AICC headquarters at this point of time to reach and pay their last tributes for the final journey of Dr. Singh. Kanika, what's happening?
देखिए, बिल्कुल अब से कुछ देर में जो है डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह के पार्थिव शरीर को जो है कांग्रेस मुख्यालय लाया जाएगा। 3 मोतीलाल नेहरू, जो कि मनमोहन सिंह का रेसिडेंस है, वहां से फुल स्टेट ऑफ ऑनर के साथ जो है उनके पार्थिव शरीर को जो है कांग्रेस मुख्यालय लाया जा रहा है। राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी और मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और पार्टी के जो तमाम नेता है, मैं आपको तस्वीर दिखाना चाहूंगी, कोशिश करूंगी, कैमरामैन से बोलूंगी कि एक बार तस्वीर दिखाइए। तमाम जो अरेंजमेंट है वो यहाँ पे कर लिए गए हैं। इसके अलावा जो है पार्टी की जो लीडरशिप है वो यहां पहुंच गई है। राहुल गांधी, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे, प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा, इसके अलावा तमाम चीफ मिनिस्टर्स, उसके अलावा जितने भी जनरल सेक्रेटरीज हैं, वो सभी लोग जो है वो यहां पर पहुंचे हुए हैं। और मनमोहन सिंह के पार्थिव शरीर को जो है कांग्रेस मुख्यालय अब से कुछ देर में जो है लाया जाएगा। तमाम जो पार्टी वर्कर्स है, पार्टी लीडरशिप है, वो मनमोहन सिंह के पार्थिव शरीर को यहाँ पे लास्ट ट्रिब्यूट देगी। और कहीं ना कहीं ये भावनात्मक माहौल है पूरी पार्टी के लिए, तमाम नेताओं के लिए, बल्कि केवल पार्टी नहीं, देशवासियों के लिए भी बहुत भावनात्मक माहौल है। क्योंकि मनमोहन सिंह देश के ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री थे जिन्होंने देश में बहुत सारी नीतियों को बदला। यूपीए 1, यूपीए 2 की बात हो, उनकी तमाम योजनाओं की बात हो, तमाम बड़े फैसले की बात हो, आज पूरा देश उनको नम आंखों से जो है वो याद कर रहा है। लेकिन मैं आपको जो है विजुअल्स दिखाना चाहूंगी कांग्रेस हेडक्वार्टर के। ये वो कमरा है जहां पे उनके पार्थिव शरीर को जो है लाया जाएगा। ये बेसिकली कांग्रेस पार्टी का प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम है, जहां अक्सर हम यहां पे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस जो है होते हुए देखते हैं। यहीं पे उनके पार्थिव शरीर को जो है रखा जाएगा। लेकिन तमाम जो पार्टी के नेता हैं, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे, राहुल गांधी, इसके अलावा केसी वेणुगोपाल, सिद्धरमैया, डीके शिव कुमार, इसके अलावा सुखविंदर सिंह सुक्खू, तेलंगाना के चीफ मिनिस्टर रेवंत रेड्डी, जितने भी ये नेता हैं वो कांग्रेस हेडक्वार्टर जो है पहुंच चुके हैं। तमाम जनरल सेक्रेटरीज, स्पोक पर्सन, पार्टी वर्कर्स, सब लोग सिमरन जो है वो यहाँ पहुंच गए हैं। और अब से कुछ ही पल में जो है मनमोहन सिंह के पार्थिव शरीर को कांग्रेस मुख्यालय लाया जाएगा। उसके बाद 9:30 बजे तक जो है उनका पार्थिव शरीर अंतिम दर्शन के लिए यहाँ रखा जाएगा, जिसमें तमाम कार्यकर्ता, तमाम नेता जो है उनको एक लास्ट श्रद्धांजलि जो है वो अर्पित करेंगे। उसके बाद 9:30 बजे यहाँ से स्टेट ऑनर के साथ उनके पार्थिव शरीर को दिल्ली के निगमबोध घाट पे जो है ले जाया जाएगा। और लगभग 11:15 बजे का वो समय है जब क्रीमेशन सेरेमनी जो है निगमबोध घाट पे होगी, जहां पर कांग्रेस पार्टी के तमाम जो नेता हैं वो मौजूद रहेंगे। इसके अलावा राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे, केसी वेणुगोपाल, ये तमाम जो नेता हैं ये भी निगमबोध घाट पे मौजूद रहेंगे। तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत बड़ा दिन है, क्योंकि कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अपने पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री को खोया है। और खास तौर पे हम यूपीए 1, यूपीए 2 की जब जिक्र करते हैं तो मनमोहन सिंह का बार बार जिक्र होता है, उनकी तमाम नीतियों का जिक्र होता है, तमाम बड़े फैसलों का जिक्र होता है। तो कहीं ना कहीं आज पूरा देश जो है जब से वो गए हैं हमें देश को छोड़ के, लोग उनको याद कर रहे हैं, उनकी बातों को याद कर रहे हैं, उनकी जो पर्सनालिटी थी उसको याद करते हुए कहीं ना कहीं लोग जो है भावुक हो रहे हैं। लेकिन इस वक्त जो है कांग्रेस मुख्यालय में हलचल तेज है और अब से कुछ ही देर में बताया जा रहा है कि मनमोहन सिंह के पार्थिव शरीर को जो है कांग्रेस मुख्यालय में लाया जाएगा।
All right, Kanika, thank you for in fact giving us the latest and bringing us the live pictures of what's happening in fact as the final journey of paying the last tributes to in fact the mild-mannered technocrat and India's one of the most crucial icons of the post-independence history is going to be in fact a bit of farewell. Now, yes, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely.